What's ready?
I hear it's so
ready.
Whenever you guys are ready. Action.
Wow, that film was surprisingly not shit. I rate this 4 out of 5.
Wow! 4 out of 10, you asshole!
5 from 10!
Fuck, man.
Oh, I should just kept going.
Oh, sorry,
That's like a high ass rating.
Damn!
Holy shit.
I rated 4 out of 10.
4 out of 5.
I should just give it a 0.
Whenever you're ready, and action.
Wow, that was surprisingly not shit.
Jacob, fuck off.
Dude, I saw Leon on the big screen just start cracking up and just I was like, oh shit.
Hey.
I don't know what's ready. I don't know what's ready. I don't know what's ready.
Rolling. Action.
How did you know?
Rolling. Action. Surprise, motherfucker! Oh, you're an animal!
It's gonna sit
That just fucked up my shot! That just fucked up my shot, man! Action. Oh, fuck. They fucked up my shot. I don't like that shot.
Wait till we
Wait till we do anal.
I've been really trying.
Gay!
Oh, I was talking about Yoda.
So you had it with the camera guy.
Actually, you know you're recording, by the way.
Yeah. What you?
Good boy, good boy. Oh, look at them facials.
Yeah, it's around that size.
Oh, nah, you can't have that. I'm sorry.
Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Let's love, baby.
I can just see. I can just see like the light still.
Maybe not. She's
Okay, wait, hold up. No, I was just waiting for him to look. I gotta tilt this up a bit. The fuck? It's so tight. So tight.
There's nothing wrong with me loving.
Didn't.
This is your actual scene?
Yeah.
No.
How about him?
Do something like that. I'm like,
How about him?
like just fucking straight face it.
So baby, give me that, and let me give you that. Running her hands through my fro, bouncing on 24s. Why they saying I'm ready? It's the remix to Ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body. Got
I thought you were saying something first. Remember me?
Really, nigga?
Action.
What you pay?
Holy fuck, that was out of nowhere. Fucking scared the shit out of me.
I wasn't expecting that.
I resigned, man. I resigned from my job. This shit is serious shit, man.
Where's Brain?
I don't fucking know.
Where's some other fucking getting rid of that piece of horse shit.
Six, man.
Oh, so remember Texas accent as well.
Me?
No, but
Yeah. Good, yeah.
so say like, tell me where you.
Oh,
Oh, you don't have to do that. You have to like, go to hell.
Tell me.
Go to hell.
No, just the way I have to say it. This is so hard.
Go to hell.
Go to hell.
Go to hell.
Go to hell.
Yeah, like that. But like maybe a bit more like aggressive. Go to hell.
Go to hell.
That was perfect. I like that. Oh, that was good.
Actually,
Yeah, that was good.
I didn't even know how I did it. I just played around.
You tell me where the rest of
Sound
the
louder.
unit.
Oh, fuck, I forgot
Okay.
how I said it.
Go to hell.
Go to hell. Go.
Go to hell.
Go to hell.
Go to hell, nigga.
Stop it. Get some help.
Tell me where the rest of you know.
Don't do it.
Tell me where the rest of you Tell me where the rest of the unit is. Go to hell. Tell me where the rest of the unit is. Tell me where the rest
Oh, fuck.
Where the rest of your unit.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
You ready, Jamie? So I say pen it up to.
Fuck sakes.
Tell me where the rest of you is.
Go to hell.
Perhaps verbal confrontation isn't working.
Oh, fuck.
I don't know.
Where are you dancing for?
Go to hell, man. Go to hell.
Go to hell.
Go to hell.
More aggressive?
Go to hell.
Yeah, perfect.
You can
Where
hear
the rest of you
Go to hell.
Tell me.
Go to hell, Kyle. Oh my god.
Quiet on the set.
Quiet on the set, bitch.
Can we
Mom,
do that scene again?
quiet on the set, bitch.
Rolling. Action.
Grab him by the pussy.
You're not supposed to be looking, you asshole.
How
Are you guys ready?